Reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve the appearance of skin. Gently exfoliates and removes impurities to brighten the look of skin and shrink the appearance of pores. An anti-aging serum that's formulated with botanical ingredients. The package dimension of the product is 3.8 cml x 3.8 cmw x 11.4 cmh. This face serum exfoliates, hydrates, repairs and brightens your skin to leave it looking soft and rejuvenated. It gently removes debris from your pores to prevent breakouts and even your complexion. Ingredients: strawberry juice, rhubarb juice, honey, hydrolyzed wheat protein, tara tree extract, aloe juice, Biocomplex, vitamin A, vitamin C ester, vitamin E, coenzyme Q10, alpha lipoic acid, vegetable glycerin, xanthan gum, Algin, strawberry essence, sodium salicylate, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate. Top reviews from the United States. Have used this for years. This is my first time buying on Amazon. It's the real product. Excellent price. My favorite hyaluronic acid serum. I've tried others through the last several years and always come back to this.